Good morning children. Welcome to social science class. In the last class we have learned lesson number 3, My Sweet Home. In that lesson we have discussed about house, types of house. There are two types of house, temporary house and permanent house. And we have discussed what is temporary house. And we have learned which are the temporary house. Today let us learn about some of the temporary houses. Okay children, one by one we will discuss. Hut. A hut is a temporary house made of wood, straw and mud. So a hut is a house made of wood, straw and mud. So it is a temporary house made up of, that is, wood, straw and mud. See children, I will show you the picture. So this is known as a what? Hut. This is called as a hut. Understood? Next, tent house. And this hut is mostly we can see, that is, it is found in villages. The huts are mostly found in villages. The next one is tent house. The next one is tent house. A tent house is made of canvas clothes. So tent house is made up of canvas cloth. It is a type of cloth that we are used to make the tent. Understood? These canvas clothes are used to make tent. I will show you the picture. So can you see here? This is called a tent. This is known as a tent. Can you see it is made up of a clothes? That is, this cloth is called as canvas. Understood children? It is used by campers or soldiers. So these tent house are used by campers and soldiers. The next one is caravan. What is that? The next one is caravan. A caravan is a house on wheels. People who work in circus live in a caravan. So caravan is a house on wheels. So I will show you the picture. So this is known as a caravan. Can you see here? So on the wheels, that is on a vehicle, this house is made. Can you see here? Yes, this is called a caravan house. And this caravan house, who will use? The people who works in the circus. So these people use this caravan house. The next one is houseboat. 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 A houseboat is a house on a boat. It is also called shikara. It is also called as shikara. So boat, where you can see the boat, that is on the water. You can see boats on the water. So houseboat. So the houseboat is the house made on the boat. It is made on the boat. Can you see here children? So this is called houseboat. This one is called houseboat. So it is made on the boat and it is also called as shikara. The next one is igloo. An igloo is a house made of blocks of ice. So an igloo is made of blocks of ice. Blocks of ice. It is found in places where it snows a lot. People who live in igloos are called Eskimos. The people who live in igloo are known as Eskimos. And we can see igloo in the place where there is a lot of snow. In that region we can see igloo. The next one, see here, I'll show you the igloo. Can you see here igloo? This is known as igloo. Understood, children? The next one is stilt house. Stilt house. A stilt house stands on a set of wooden posts. So, the stilt house is a house that stands on a stilt, that is wooden post. Wooden. Have you seen wooden, children? See, I'll show you the stilt house. Can you see here stilt house? Can you see here? So, down you can see the wooden posts. So, upon this we will build a stilt. This house is called a stilt house. So, there is a house upon this wooden post. Can you see your house? So, this house is known as a stilt house. It is made in the areas that are generally flooded due to rain. It is quite high above the ground. So, these houses are made in the place where they are flooded. Flooded means because of rain, you can't be there on the ground. That's why they will make, with the help of wooden posts, they will make a house and they will rescue from flooded. Understood? Flooded. That is because of rain. Heavy rain, the water flows. So, due to that, the houses will collapse. That's why they make little bit higher than the ground. So, it is quite high above the ground. Thank you, children.